Q3 wins cleaning contract at Jersey Opera House. Like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our new videos. Facilities management firm Q3 has been appointed to deliver cleaning services at the landmark Jersey Opera House. The contract, which began on the 6th of July, covers daily housekeeping, pre- and post-event cleaning, and periodic deep cleans. Opened in 1900, the St Helier venue recently underwent a major refurbishment to restore its place at the heart of the island's cultural life. Q3 developed a bespoke cleaning plan designed to protect the historic building while adapting to a variable live performance schedule. Operations will be led by 2 dedicated housekeepers, supported by a scalable post-show team for busier event periods. Q3 was chosen for its local experience, operational knowledge, and ability to deliver a specialist solution within budget. The contract win strengthens Q3's footprint in Jersey and solidifies its position across the Channel Islands. Matthew Galvin, managing director at Q3, said, "This is exactly the kind of environment where a flexible, thoughtful, and partnership-based cleaning model can make a real difference. Our team is looking forward to supporting the Opera House as it continues to welcome audiences, performers, and visitors back through its doors." To learn more, read the full article in our Contract Wins category. Read more at TWinFM.com.